sweep on this door is perfectly fine, but the latch, y'all probably going to say it's too slow, but I don't really bother me because the door doesn't like bounce whenever it latches. And this door is actually, I do believe this door is actually preloaded because this door closes like all the way. This door closes without it bouncing. So, let's try one more time. And that will be it. Yeah, this door's definitely got air pressure. Because it's like the wind or some wind is pushing the door closed. Or maybe just this, this pinion cap is bad. But let's do this one more time and that will be it. It's slow. So anyways, that will be it.